Looking for the perfect engraving pen but overwhelmed by all the options out there? Stick around. We're breaking down the top rotary tools from weakest to best, so you know exactly which one is worth your money. Kicking things off in the 5th spot is the Uolor engraving pen. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and built with simplicity in mind. If you're looking for a no-frills entry into engraving, this one gets the job done, but just don't expect miracles. It runs on a small rechargeable battery, offers 3 basic speed settings, and comes with a decent accessory kit for the price, especially those stencils if you're into decorative work. It's compact and easy to handle, which makes it a solid pick for crafting on the go or casual weekend projects. But here's the catch. It's slow. At 18,000 RPM max and only a 30-minute battery life, it struggles with tougher materials and longer sessions. The motor just doesn't have the power to handle anything beyond soft wood or light metal. If you're looking to do more than basic crafting, this pen will feel limiting fast. This one's best suited for hobbyists, kids learning engraving, or anyone who wants a low-commitment starter tool. And hey, if you're curious about trying any of these pens for yourself, we've dropped links to all the tools in the description below, so you can check them out at the best price. Next up in 4th place is the Vqvybxn engraving pen. It's basically a step up from the last one, but just enough to notice. It bumps up the top speed to 25,000 RPM, and the build feels a bit sleeker and more modern. With a lightweight aluminum body and solid accessory pack, it's clearly aimed at hobbyists who want more flexibility. The tungsten bit is a nice bonus for detail work, and the USB charging is fast and convenient. It's surprisingly powerful for how light it is, just 6 ounces. The downside? It still shares the same short 30-minute battery life as the Uolor, and while it's faster, it still doesn't have the torque for anything too demanding. Think of this as your reliable upgrade if you're tired of slow engraving but still working mostly on crafts or soft materials. If you want a little more oomph without spending a lot more money, this might be the one. Oh, and if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on product reviews just like this. Sliding into 3rd place is the Tarlido engraving pen. Now this one turns heads with one standout feature: its speed. With a motor capable of 37,000 RPM, it's the fastest on this list, hands down. The build is solid, using metal with a copper collet for stability and precision. It's got a professional feel to it, and that speed is no joke. It powers through surfaces that slower pens just can't handle. The accessory kit is generous, and the pen itself feels great in hand. But things get murky with the battery. While it's marketed with a 1200 mAh capacity, there's conflicting info about whether it uses a AAA or rechargeable lithium battery. And with no clear runtime, it's hard to tell how long you can count on that high performance. If you're a serious crafter or need raw power for tougher engraving tasks, this one's worth a shot, as long as you're okay with a few unknowns. In 2nd place, we've got the Fanttik F2 Master. It's not the fastest tool here, but what it lacks in raw speed, it more than makes up for in design and finesse. This pen is sleek, it's incredibly lightweight, whisper quiet, and packed with thoughtful features like a pressure-sensitive button, LED work light, and magnetic accessory hub. The brushless motor keeps things smooth and silent, and the USB-C charging is quick and easy, and the only real downside is runtime. It's not listed, but with such a small battery, you probably won't get marathon sessions out of it, and it can't be used while charging, which could be a deal breaker for some. Still, for artists, modelers, and anyone who values precision over brute force, this is one of the most refined engraving tools you can buy. Taking the top spot, no surprise here, is the xTool Selected engraving pen. This thing means business. It's fast, powerful, durable, and packed with every accessory you could want. With a high-speed brushless motor that maxes out at 28,000 RPM, it can handle everything from metal to glass, and everything in between. The build is solid, the grip is ergonomic, and the aluminum body keeps it cool even during extended use. Its only downsides? The step-based speed control could be a little more precise, and while the accessory kit is huge, the bit quality might not match up to premium brands like Dremel. If you're looking for a professional tool that balances power, performance, and portability, this is the one to beat. If you're serious about picking the right engraving tool, make sure to check the links in the description to find the top-rated models at the best prices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the best gear out there.